Welcome to the project demonstration of face mask detection along with temperature scanning and gate authentication system. And also in this model we have the some more features like automatic sanitization whenever the mask and temperature is normal. And for temperature detection we placed one IR sensor, so whenever it detects the hand, then only we'll scan the temperature, and after the temperature successfully scanned and is normal temperature, then we'll enter into the mask scanning. And if the mask is detected, and the next is going to be green LED indication and a welcome message on the LCD screen, as well as the so-called status will be the sanitizer got switched on for certain time, and after that it will be off. And after that, so it will prompt the user to stand in front of the gate. So here's the in IR sensor, and one more sensor is there. This is the out IR sensor. So whenever the person stands here, then the gate opens. So if the persons move inside, then it will detect, and after that the gate closes. So if the person went outside again, then it will it will run with the timer, and after 3 to 4 seconds, if the person didn't move inside, then it won't increase the counter, but it will just close the gate. So means if he enters, count increment, gate close. If he didn't enters, if we exit from here only, means outside here only, then the gate closes after certain time, but the count won't increment. And coming to the exit side, so when the person stands here, automatically gate opens. Same manner, if he exits, gate close. If he didn't exit, gate close, but counter won't decrement. So like that we are going to increase the count and decrease the count. So we set the user limit in this project for 5 numbers. So when the increment is done, reaches the 5 members inside this room, so then the system display on the LCD like capacity full. So till one more person exits, so then only it will allow the another extra person. So coming to this components wise explanation, so whenever the abnormal detected, we are going to on this red LED. If the temperature is high or mask doesn't detect it on his face, then the red LED on, alert message on the LCD screen, and there is a buzzer indication. And as well as we are going to provide the voice input from the patient. So let us consider we are going to set up this at the ICU patient entrance. So this will check with the outside checking, and these 8 keys we are going to place them inside with the patient end. So here we wrote, so this we wrote the H, C, W, all. So like this, nothing but H for help, C for coffee, W for washroom, E for emergency, B for bedsheet, F for food, M for medicine, WTR for water. So the respective voice will be announced. Actually, for announcing the voices, we are going to make use of APR33A3 voice module, so which is of audio playback recorder. Predefinedly we stored the same voices. So we'll explain you how to store the voices also. If you want to store new voices, we can store them. And this is the electromagnetic relay, so to control this sanitizer. So it is a 5 volt operated. So coming to the relay board, there is a transistor with LED indication and one diode. So LED will show the status of the relay, and a transistor used to trigger the relay, and diode is used worked as a flyback diode. Nothing but whenever the back EMF is produced from this relay circuits, then that will be neutralized by this diode. And so these 2 boards, the same 2 boards are breadboards in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the board. So the whole system run by our Raspberry Pi 3 model B plus, and this one is a speaker to produce the so-called recorded voice. So let us see the demonstration. So initially we need to connect the battery. So we need to connect the battery. So this is a battery. We are going to provide one more extra for you, and connect the battery in this manner, female to male connections. Right, after battery successfully connected, then switch on this adapter. This adapter will take 230 volts input and provide us the 5 volts output with 2 amps constant current. Right, so once you switch on the gates, then the system will start booting. Once successful booting was done, then there is a welcome message on the LCD screen, as well as the LEDs and the buzzer will be on and off 2 times. So when we demonstrate the project, we should remember one more thing. So these 3 lights every IR sensor consists of two LEDs. One is power indication, another is detection. So if you demonstrate this project full under the full sunlight vision, then this will be in the get the IR rays from the sunlight, then the light will be on automatically without any obstacle in front of that. So let us see now, as you show that, show your hand. So when my show hand, so the IR sensor will detect that, and the temperature scan. So temperature scan was done. So till display the normal temperature, you can go on that. Right, show your hand. So temperature is okay. Whenever the temperature is above 94, so above 90, so then it's going to be the normal temperature. So now it's entered into the mask scanning. So now I don't have the mask on my face. So while demonstrating, you should have the more lighting on your face, whether it is sunlight or normal light. Right. So now I'm going to wear the mask. So now I wore the mask. So again it will come to the normal. Show the hand again. Right, temperature is okay. Again I wore the mask now. So based on the lighting, it will take the time. So right, so initially green light will be on, and then after sanitizer on, and then it will prompt us to welcome sanitize hands. Now stand at the gate. Right, opening gate. Right, and I'm moving inside. So door closing, and you can see when the count is there, so there will be a count. So the count is incremented. So when it reaches 5, then it's going to be the capacity full. So just I'm making the 5 count. So till that I'm just pausing the video. So now it is. So you should follow the LCD messages. So when it's prompt us to stand in front of this entrance, so then we should stand over there, and the IR should detect your finger or object. So then you should move inside like this. So then capacity is full, we can see that. So whenever another person exits, so then gate opens and he has to pass away, then only the count will be decrements. Right, so you can see the count was decremented, and let's keep on next one. So next we have the one more feature is like voice announcement. So when you press this, right. So now let me explain you how to record that voice. So to record that, so clear, you can see that there is a switch here. So you can see the switch is in upwards in play mode. So you can see that there is a play mode, below is the record mode. Okay, so now I'm keeping in record mode. If you want to record the replace the voice at this section, just hold it. When you hold that, there is a beep coming out from the module, and then you should speak until you hold the switch. It record the voice. See, like that. Okay, now I need help. So now for play, you should remember again, keep it in play mode, then I need help. So like that. So you can replace the voice whatever you want. So now let us see the demonstration for face detection from other end. So now let us see, first show the hand. Temperature is okay. So I don't have the mask now. So you should place the kit at your eye vision level, then it will detect fast. So no mask detected. Again I have the mask. Yes, green light on, mask clicked, and sanitize your hands. And after that, you should keep on follow the LCD messages. So welcome, stand at the entrance. Door opening. So right, I'm entering. After enters, the door closing. It's done.